The Coves is a patio home community where you can enjoy the benefits of a low-maintenance home and instead sit back and enjoy this wonderful view of Horseshoe Lake. Come check out 2338 North Lighthouse Cove in Wichita.
I'm living my best life. I wake up with the sunrise. It does not